I'm Callum Ryan.
And I'm Elise Carrick from the agency.
Welcome to this beautiful lifestyle block here in Bouldercombe.
Let's go and check it out.
Built in 1985 by the current owners, this home has a story to tell. You've got a spacious kitchen, some cathedral ceilings, a full-length back patio and a front deck. The best part about this block is definitely the space. You're on a hectare here, and up the back you've got barren land, you've got multiple fruit trees on the actual block, sheds and a garage for your cars.
There's plenty more to see at this beautiful home in Bouldercombe.
If our team can help you own this property, why don't you give us a call today?